Hey guys, welcome back to another new exciting video. Claude Code just got a biggest update. Here you see your sessions can now message each other. So previously what were happening, let's say you have opened three sessions inside Claude Code and there are three terminals and one session is for the backend work, one another session is for the front end work, another session is for the testing. But you cannot communicate between these three terminal or between these three sessions. This was the previous feature. But now after this recent update, you can communicate between any of these sessions. And in this video, I will show you how you can do that. So here you see that I will make two sessions. One is the user profile, another one is the weekly digest. And I will send message from user profile session to weekly digest session. Or you can say that in your case, if you are working in any code base, then you can send message from backend session to front end or backend to testing or front end to testing or testing to front end or testing to backend. Anyways, you can communicate between these three terminal or you can say three Claude Code session. Now let me open the CMD and inside that I will make first session which is the Claude name user profile and press enter, and here you will see that it will start the Claude Code. Inside it I will just trust the folder and here you see user profile. Right, now I will make another session which is the weekly digest. So for that again I will open another CMD and paste it and another session which is the weekly digest. See that I have placed two session side by side. Left hand side is the user profile session and the right one is the weekly digest session, and I can send message from the left hand side to right hand side. Now how they will communicate, if you go to the blog post of Claude Code regarding this, here you see they have mentioned they are using two tools for this. One is the list agent to discover which agent it can reach and send message to deliver the message to one of them by name. So that's why this name is very important. Here you see this weekly digest, and that's why also I have shown you that you can create the profile or create the session by using this hyphen hyphen name. And now if you want to see that how many agents are currently active or currently present in your Claude Code, then you simply go to the Claude Code and write slash agents. Okay, now it will give you all of the agents name, and also here you see Claude can message to the sub agents and agent teammates within a single session or team. Now here you see from the left hand side user profile, I am writing one message, tail weekly digest. We renamed the users dot name to display underscore name. And now what will happen that it will send the message to the right hand side weekly digest and it will get the notification. See, in this way from the left hand side to right hand side, it will get the notification. And now it will start working on that. Here you see that it is doing the necessary changes inside the necessary files, and also it will run the necessary commands to update that property and all of that things. So in this way actually this session sharing will work and it will be very helpful for us, I think. So please use it. And also if you read this blog post then you will get more idea. And this is the message structure, means in simple plain natural language you have to explain it. And also here you see these are the use cases like handover a finding. Let's say you are working in a backend code base and you have found that you need to change this property. So when you are changing this property, you need to again tell to the front end that I have changed this property, you also please change it in your code base. In that case you can give this summary, and also you can ask the Claude that please send this summary to that front end session. Now front end will get that, you don't have to explain it again from scratch to the front end, right? And also coordinate parallel work trees. When session work the same repository in a separate work trees, then Claude can tell the other session what landed, the same features. Also the get status from the long running work. Let's say in your agent or in your session you are dependent on another agent. When another agent is working, it is taking a long time to complete, then in that case you can actually wait for that and you can watch, and when it will be completed you can get the notification. So you can ask the other agent also that your work will be completed, please notify me, right? So this kind of scenarios will be handled by using these sharing sessions. And remember one thing, this is supported inside the latest Claude Code or later. So if I go to my Claude Code, here you see currently the version is 2.1.226. So that means I am using the updated Claude Code. So you also please update your Claude Code. And currently it runs on the Mac OS and Linux. Windows currently not supported. And I hope that you have found this video helpful. If you want to get this kind of latest AI related innovations daily, what is happening, then please make sure to subscribe this channel. Please make sure you like this video. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.